Okay. We have dogs. Cakes for the dogs. Karen made it for
Shannon
the
and
dogs.
Karen.
Shannon and Karen. From Luca. From Luca. This one is already gone.
Right, Piccolo.
We forgot to
Yeah.
take the video.
Do you wanna?
Okay,
Piccolo.
Piccolo. Enjoy the
Piccolo.
cake. Merry Christmas.
And Tyson hasn't had one.
Tyson. Get the cake, Tyson. Enjoy it. How about Sophia?
Sophia.
Sophia, enjoy
You
the
haven't had
cake.
that one, Sophia. Your face.
How about the big boy?
Blue.
How about the big boy? how about
Bobo.
Bobo?
Good, all nice and gentle. Good girl. Number 2 box gone.
Yeah, 2 is already gone. How about the others?
No, I'm saving them for Christmas Day.
Oh, you already kept
Yeah, I've
them,
got
yeah?
to see my family.
Okay. You're so bad. So hot then. Did you enjoy it? Did you give to the little Ted? Also? Good girl. Good boy. Good girl, Bobo. Did you enjoy your cake? Well done. Merry Christmas, guys. I love the cake. Thank you from Luca and Karen and Shannon and Terry
Ray.
and Ray. Cool.